Hey everyone! In today's guide, I'll show you how to set up a VPN for your Apple TV using NordVPN. The process only takes a few minutes, and it helps keep your streaming private and secure while unlocking more content. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head to the NordVPN website. You can search for NordVPN downloads or use a direct link to reach the downloads page. Once you're there, click the login button in the top right corner and sign into your Nord account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one since an active subscription is required to use NordVPN with Apple TV. After logging in, go to your account overview and look for the section labeled VPN Solution for Smart TV. This is where NordVPN provides setup options for Apple TV and similar devices. Next, select the operating system that matches your Apple TV. Choose tvOS to make sure you're viewing the correct setup instructions. From here, follow the steps provided by NordVPN. Depending on your setup, you'll either configure SmartDNS or install the VPN on your router. Apple TV doesn't support native VPN apps, so these are the recommended methods. Both options work well for accessing geo-restricted apps and keeping your streaming activity private. Once everything is set up, apply the changes and restart your Apple TV if prompted. After that, you're all set. Your Apple TV will now route traffic through NordVPN, giving you secure and unrestricted streaming. And that's it. If you want the best available deal on NordVPN, check the link below for 74% off plus 3 extra months free. Thanks for watching and enjoy your secure streaming setup.